Okay, at this point, we will give the floor to our presenter who will provide deeper into how SOC operation continuous monitoring and threat intelligence platform interact to create a cohesive defense framework. And our presenter will illustrate real-world regional scenarios and provide insights on how modern organizations optimize their operational readiness against sophisticated cyber attacks. And let us all welcome our presenter to share uh, his topic, no, and professional perspective. Go ahead.
Thank you, Prof. Good evening, classmate. Good evening, Prof. My topic is security operation and monitoring or continuous monitoring threat intelligence platform. So, what is SOC? It's a centralized team or facility that continuously monitors an organization IT infrastructure to prevent, detect, analyze, and respond to cybersecurity threats. By combining people, processes, and technology, a SOC proactively defends against internal and